Hi. Welcome to our channel, Live Science. In this video, we will learn how to differentiate between empirical, molecular, and structural formula. In order to know how to write any organic compound, the first way by using the molecular formula, which indicates the actual number and the kind of elements atoms which form the chemical compound. Example, C4H10. The second way by using the empirical formula, which indicates the simplest ratio between atoms in the molecule. Example, by dividing this molecular formula by 2, we can obtain the empirical formula, C2H5. The third way by using the structural formula, which show how the atoms are arranged in the molecule. Example, by drawing this molecular formula as follow. This molecular formula could be more than one organic compound, and that's we will take about later in isomerism videos, so we will choose now only one structural formula for butane, which is a straight chain containing 4 carbon atoms. So, each carbon written as A+ and attached with 4 atoms, to be, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Also notice that the bond angle is not 90 degrees as shown, it's a 109 degrees as we will see in the 3D model later. The fourth way by using the condensed structural formula, which are the most predominant and have many ways. Example, we can hide the CH bond as follow. We can see that CH2 group repeated 2 times, so we abbreviate as follow. Also we can hide the CC bond as follow. And also we abbreviate the 2 CH2 groups as follow. Another common way to write the condensed structural formula by changing the bond angle between carbon atoms as follow. The fifth way by using the 3D structural formula, which show how the atoms are arranged in the space. Example, the butane molecule has the following 3D structure, where all carbon atoms have sp3 hybridization. So, the bond angle between atoms are 109 degrees. The sixth way by using the skeletal formula, which hide the CH bond and each carbon represented by dot as follow. This skeletal structure mean that we have 4 carbons in a straight chain, where the terminal carbon attached to another carbon by single bond and attached to 3 hidden hydrogen atoms to be CH3 group. The next carbon attached to 2 carbon atoms by 2 single bonds, so attached to 2 hidden hydrogen atoms to be CH2 group. Also the next central carbon attached to 2 carbon atoms by 2 single bonds, so attached to 2 hidden hydrogen atoms to be CH2 group. And the terminal carbon attached to another carbon by single bond and attached to 3 hidden hydrogen atoms to be CH3 group. Let's take some examples for organic compounds to learn how to draw the other formulas for these compounds. This compound, we have CH central group attached to 3 terminal methyl CH3 groups, drawn by the structural formula where all CC and CH bonds are appeared. So we can draw another structural formula by changing bond angle from 90 degrees to 109 degrees, where all carbon atoms have sp3 hybridization. Write the molecular formula by counting number of carbon atoms equal 4 atoms, and number of hydrogen atoms equal 10 atoms. So, the molecular formula of this compound is C4H10. Write the empirical formula by dividing the molecular formula by 2. So, the empirical formula of this compound is C2H5. Also draw the 3D formula as follow, where all bond angles between atoms in the molecule is equal to 109 degrees. Write the skeletal formula as follow by hiding the CH bonds and representing each carbon atom by dot, where each of the 3 terminal carbon atoms attached to the central carbon atom by single bond for each, so the 3 terminals are CH3 groups, while the central carbon atom attached to 3 terminal atoms by 3 single bonds, so the central atom is a CH group. To draw the condensed structural formula, we have many ways. First, by hiding the CH bond only, to be as follow, CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. Another way to write it as follow by changing the bond angle to be each carbon as A+. Also we can draw the branched CH3 methyl group between brackets to be CH3, CH, CH3 between brackets, CH3. and also, we can hide the CC bond to be as follow. Another example, this compound, we have CH3 terminal methyl group, attached to CH central group has a branch hydroxyl OH group between brackets, then attached to another CH central group has a branch hydroxyl OH group between brackets, which then attached to CH3 group's terminal methyl group, drawn by the condensed structural formula where all CH bonds are hidden. Write the molecular formula by counting number of carbon atoms equal 4 atoms, number of hydrogen atoms equal 10 atoms, and number of oxygen atoms equal 2 atoms. So, the molecular formula of this compound is C4H10O2. We first write number of carbons then hydrogens then the other elements if found, like oxygens. Write the empirical formula by dividing the molecular formula by 2. So, the empirical formula of this compound is C2H5O. To draw the structural formula as follow by appearing all CH bonds and representing each carbon angles by A+. Also we can draw another structural formula by changing bond angle from 90 degrees to 109 degrees, where all carbon and oxygen atoms have sp3 hybridization. Write the skeletal formula as follow by hiding the CH bonds and representing each carbon atom by dot as follow. Where each of the two terminal carbon atoms attached to the central carbon atom by single bond for each, so the two terminals are CH3 groups. While the two central carbon atoms attached to one CH3 terminal group by single bond, and one OH hydroxyl group by single bond for each, so the two central carbon atoms are CH groups. Also draw the 3D formula as follow, where all bond angles between atoms in the molecule is equal to 109 degrees. To draw the other condensed structural formula, we have many ways. First, by hiding the CC bond to be as follow. Second, by showing the branched OH hydroxyl group between brackets to be CH3, CH, OH, CH, OH, and then CH3. Or by changing the bond angle from 90 degrees to 109 degrees due to the hybridization. Another example, this compound is acetic acid. You can watch the above video to learn more about naming the organic compounds. In this compound, we have CH3 terminal methyl group, attached to central carbon atom double bonded to oxygen atom, and also attached to a hydroxyl OH group, drawn by the condensed structural formula where all CH bonds are hidden. Write the molecular formula by counting number of carbon atoms equal 2 atoms, number of hydrogen atoms equal 4 atoms, and number of oxygen atoms equal 2 atoms. So, the molecular formula of this compound is C2H4O2. We first write carbons then hydrogens, then the other elements if found, like oxygens. Write the empirical formula by dividing the molecular formula by 2. So, the empirical formula of this compound is CH2O. To draw the 3D formula as follow, where the bond angles of the central carbon atoms are 120 degrees, which has sp2 hybridization. While all bond angles between other atoms in the molecule is equal to 109 degrees, due to the sp3 hybridization. Write the skeletal formula as follow by hiding the CH bonds and representing each carbon atom by dot as follow. Where the terminal carbon atom attached to the central carbon atom by single bond, so the terminal carbon is a CH3 group. While the central carbon atom attached to one CH3 terminal group by single bond, one oxygen atom by a double bond, and one OH hydroxyl group by a single bond. So the central carbon atom is a C atom without hydrogens. To draw the structural formula as follow by appearing all CH bonds and representing each carbon angles by A+. Also we can draw another structural formula, by changing the bond angle from 90 degrees to 120 degrees for the central carbon, and changing the angle from 90 degrees to 109 degrees for all other atoms, due to sp2 and sp3 hybridization. To draw the other condensed structural formula, we have many ways. First, by abbreviating the C double bond O, OH acidic group to be COOH group. You can watch the above video to learn more about the way of drawing each function group in organic chemistry. Second, by hiding the CC bond as shown. Also by changing the bond angle from 90 to 120 degrees, due to the hybridization. Another example, this compound is benzene ring, drawn by the skeletal formula by hiding the CH bonds and representing each carbon atom by dot as follow. Where each carbon atom attached to two carbon atoms, one with a single bond, and the other with a double bond. So, all carbons are CH groups. Write the molecular formula by counting number of carbon atoms equals 6 atoms, number of hydrogen atoms equals 6 atoms also. So, the molecular formula of this compound is C6H6. Write the empirical formula by dividing the molecular formula by 6. So, the empirical formula of this compound is CH. To draw the structural formula as follow by appearing all CH bonds and representing each bond angle by 120 degrees, due to sp2 hybridization of all carbons. To draw the 3D formula as follow, where the bond angles of all carbon atoms are 120 degrees, which has sp2 hybridization. We can notice that benzene ring is planar, and that is make benzene more stable due to aromaticity. You can watch the above video to learn more about aromaticity. To draw the other condensed structural formula, we have many ways. First, by hiding the CH bond as shown. Also by changing the double bonds by circular shape, due to aromaticity also. At the end of this video, now you can understand the difference between empirical, molecular, and structural formula. Do not forget to like, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye.